Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up Patreon, PayPal, Payout. So first of all, you have to log in into your PayPal account. Now access your wallet. So in my case, in my country, wallet is not available. That's the main reason, right? Then you have to click on card or payment, but I have this option, bank and card section here, right? And here you have to just go and click on click on the card or payment method you wish to set as a preferred method. So mine is already because I just have only one card. If you have more than one, you can always set your preferred method here. Look for an option label as a set as a preferred, make this preferred while paying online and click it. Now you there's another method too, but this is the easiest one which I can show you, right? And whenever, for example, for the Patreon, right, so let's go to the home page here, and the preferred method is really important, right? Here you can just go and create your PayPal checkout or something, right? So you would have added your PayPal account in Patreon, right? And that's the reason I told you to make your payment as a preferred, and you will receive in your bank account or card, whichever you have made it, right? So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.